Just imagine you're sitting down to your favourite meal and you can imagine that meal's in front of you. Now, what part of that meal do you like best? What's the thing that you really, really like? And do you eat the thing that you really, really like best first or last? Well, lots and lots of people eat the thing they like best last because they want to have that last taste in their mouth, the thing that they like best. Now, I can understand that. But if you save your favourite thing until last, you're obliged to eat everything else on your plate. So I'm asking you to eat your favourite thing first, because then if you eat your favourite thing first, you don't have to eat the rest of the things on the plate when you know that you're satisfied. Now, you can eat a little bit of the other things with your favourite thing, of course. I'm not saying just eat one thing at a time. But as I say, predominantly your favourite thing must be eaten first rather than saving it till last, because if you save it till last, as I say, you've got to eat everything on the plate. If you eat it first, well, it doesn't matter if you leave the peas or the beans or something you're not so keen on. Okay? And then when you're full, when you're satisfied, you know you can finish. Enjoy that favourite thing first.